absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words but then the meaning going past. But God, I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. And Aubrey was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I loved her name. Wish that I had found a way and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one I want, I'll do without the best. I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000,000 times around the world just to say had been mine for a day.
Yes guys, Aubrey Songs, no? Ito ang kinanta sa ating bisita ngayon. Thank you so much guys.